Hey everybody, and welcome to my shop. I am about to take a 4-week camping trip through Sweden, and now it's time for me to pack my van. And while I was packing my storage boxes, I realized there's a lot of space that I do not take advantage of. So here's a list of 3 to 4 tips that you can do to your storage boxes to increase the space you have and to organize your stuff better. Tip number 1, use the outside. Your case is not only a vessel, it also offers wall space. So especially for objects that you would need quick access to, this is an ideal space to store them. Tip 2, use the inside of your lid. This might be a little underestimated, but using the inside of your lid is just another way to store objects that you need quick access to, and it offers more organization. Tip number 3 is make layers. Especially for big boxes like this one, it makes sense to build a layer or another level so you have more space and more organization for the inside of the box. And my fourth tip isn't really a tip, but I just want you to realize that it's not all about function, it's also about form. So make those boxes your own. These outside spaces are a great way to document your travels and to just make it look cool and personalize it a little bit. Obviously, this is a new box, so there isn't too much documentation going on right now, but I'm planning to use this as a diary of my travels. This box will mostly be used inside of my van, so I'm not worried about all the holes that I drilled through, and I also think it will still be cool to survive 1 or 2 days outside, maybe even in the rain. But if you are worried about absolutely waterproofing your case, stay tuned. There's a really cool video coming up where I do some modifications that are waterproof. That's it for this week. I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you next week with a new video while I'm already on a camping trip.